Okay, so the question here in this video is, should I clean these coins? We have an assortment of silver coins that were lying around my house in the open air, and a lot of these have acquired a rather dingy patina. Now these are kind of permastack coins. I've let them become less than perfect, and I fondle these coins, stack them up, play with them. So I wouldn't really be selling these, not immediately, and not a big deal to have toning on it. Although, silver when it's blast white does look a little nicer, I think, usually. So it's kind of hard to see on this camera angle, but I'll show you a couple of them. And that's the question I pose to you, the audience. Let me know, do you think it's worth cleaning these? And what I would probably do is just give them the old bath in a container of warm water, baking soda, tin foil. And maybe it would be an interesting video just to see like the before and after of how they turned out. Now, the other thing too, and some of these are kind of spectacularly toned. Look at that. But yeah, like I was saying, it might be an interesting video to show you how it's done, show you the before and after. You just got to be careful, obviously, when you're cleaning coins. You don't want to scrub them too hard with any abrasives, because then you get micro scratching, and that can really kind of diminish what could have been a very nice coin, and then somebody went and ruined it. But these are bullion, they're not numismatics. And if a coin is like really dirty, there are certain times when you can, I think, conserve it properly. But yeah, let me know what you think about it. Oh, I was going to say, it's kind of hard to see the toning without a proper background of comparison. So let me just check what kind of coin I got here. Ooh, let's see, here's a Britannia. If I put that there for comparison, that's not going to be a good one. Here, hold on. See if I can dig one out here. Here we go. A couple of these. So these two for comparison. You got your control. And you can see that in reality, a lot of these are pretty well toned. My white balance just got really screwed up. Let's see. But yeah, I think you can kind of see that. Most of these are really toned up. And I'm slightly colorblind. To me, it's kind of like a green, golden, dingy hue. You can see the other two are blast white. But I think that comes across fairly decent. Just trying to play with the focus. There you go. See that? See what I'm saying? Let's look at this one. Pretty crazy toning on that one, huh? Alright. Yeah, but please like, comment, subscribe, and Love to hear your thoughts. Viewer participation really makes it worthwhile. I'm trying to crank out a few more videos and see if just see if we can get some feedback and make some interesting videos for the community. Talk to you later.